This bowling bag has a lot of features. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Collapsible handle, rolling wheels, front compartment is for bowling shoes, and the main compartment up to 3 balls. There is extra padding in there that avoids violent collisions. Everything is fabric completely all the way around. Handle on the top. You could pick it up this way. On the sides, 2 more. Big pocket here. Shorter pocket here. You could put your ball towels, any other thing you need, gloves. It's the perfect bag. Overall, this is a great bag. I really like it.